You may already know the most basic way to use AI. Open a chat and ask for something. That is all the experience you need to start this course. You may have used AI to rewrite an email, summarize a document, brainstorm, or look something up. Many people use AI like a new kind of search engine, and that is a reasonable starting point. I do not expect you to understand models, providers, agents, tools, workflows, APIs, or skills. We will define those terms as we use them and show what they mean in practice. The AI landscape changes constantly, and keeping up with every model, feature, and announcement can feel like a full-time job. This course will give you a practical foundation so you can focus on what matters without chasing every new release. We will look at how AI can improve real work across manufacturing, IT operations, troubleshooting, research, and data analysis. You will see how to create documents, automate repetitive work, build productivity tools, and begin to create internal applications for MES maintenance, reporting, and production workflows. We will also cover agents and automation, followed by image, audio, and video generation. This is my stance. AI will not replace people. It will turn early adopters like you into people who can accomplish far more with the same time and resources. By the end of the course, you should have enough working knowledge to build something useful, evaluate the result, and recognize where AI can improve your own work.